We're out here doing some creek fishing today, just wading a creek. Got a nice little Ned rig tied on with the crawl. Hoping to tear them up today. Smallies in Big Walnut Creek. Hoping we can do some good. Water temp's nice, beautiful day. I got my dad with me and my sister and my sister's boyfriend here, so I'm gonna hopefully cover some ground. I was catfishing last night in a big catfish tournament, or 2 nights ago, and today was the weigh-in. We were catfishing this exact creek and catching all sorts of, with a bait rod, a little ultralight, catching drum and crappie and smallies. Super fun stuff. I bet you there's something good sitting over here. This little Ned rig gets her done in these creeks. It's also a great thing to throw in lakes if the fish aren't biting. I'm trying to get a good cast up here. I'm using an open face for the versatility today, but the bait caster, I can really put it where I want it to go. I got a heavy Ned rig weight on here head, so kind of just sinks. I bet you the backside of this log jam has some fish in there. There's probably a catfish tucked up in there too. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna do one throw here. The current will push it a little bit. Bunch of deer that are up in here. Oh man. I'm gonna take cast way up in here real quick. I can get way up in there now. The only downside of this big jig head is it makes quite the splash. If I had a smaller one, it would be a little less splashy. Man, these deer get up in here. That's like a whole little creek back here. Oh yeah, there's, well, a little chub in there. Wow, holy cow. It's like a pond. It's super muddy, but there's like a hole back here. Oh, there we go. That's a friggin' nice little fish. If I can get him in without losing him. Oh, it's just a hard fighting dink. Yeah. Yeah. It's a hybrid. Yeah. Oh, quick release. He's still sitting in this cloud here. Yeah, that was some sort of hybrid bass because it had a smallmouth on it. Its mouth didn't go past its eyes, but thing fought like crazy. Oh, my GoPro is off. Come here. Small. Check that sucker out. Nice little smallie. Check that thing out. Oh, nice size smallie. Come away, buddy. There you go. It's a really nice smallie. That wind's pushing my line. That wind's pushing my line. Oh, dang it. Has to be a little bass or something. Oh, holy cow. He freaking smoked it. Yeah, it's a really good fish. Holy cow. Oh, it's a striper. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, that thing fought like crazy. Look at that thing. It's a beautiful striper. Yeah, I saw what looked to be a bass kind of take off and flare on the surface. And this guy smoked it out kind of deep. It's amazing. Those things are so hard fighting. Huh? I can't hear you. Yeah. Yeah, they're big school fish. They also taste really good. Like something just hit right there on top. Oh, there we go again. Oh, dang it. See it? See the school up there? There he is. Yeah, there's a school of them. Look at that thing. That's a sandwich right there. Them things fight hard too. I see them flash every once in a while. Well, they flash on the surface, just kind of schooling up.
I just saw one flash over there.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
He's a meaty sucker.
I see him there over on the far side.
Yeah. Freaking pooped all over me. One of their defense systems. Yeah, I had one hit it and then one put it down and picked it back up. See him over there?
Yeah.
And if we had something to keep them in, those are delicious fish.
Yeah, that'd be a great
Little fish sandwich.
yeah.
Oh, here we go again. Oh, dang it. Did you see that?
I did. Why can't I catch one?
They might be bottom fish, which I mean, they are hitting tops. I don't know.
Usually I catch something like that on this too.
Yeah.
I don't know, that's weird.
Yeah, it is. Might try casting further up there in those logs. There's probably a big school of them up in there. But man, those things are fun to catch. Might be the chartreuse color too. Yep. They just eat yours?
No, he was trying to eat my string.
Oh. Oh, a big old group of them up in here. I thought it was a crappie at first, but I love how those fight.
Yeah. Especially on a lighter duty rod.
Yeah. And up in a creek like this, it's weird to see them.
Yeah. You gotta come from somewhere.
Yeah.
They gotta go somewhere.
That's a pretty deep pocket over there too, I imagine, with how deep it is where we're standing. Yeah. Nope. Maybe that'll draw attention to them. Yeah, it might just be working their way downstream in the school. Stopped here to eat. So I was seeing their sides come up. Kind of on a sandbar. I just don't know if it drops back off. Oh yeah, I'm about waist height. Yeah, it gets way deeper.
Yeah, if we can get up around that tree area.
Also, we can check it out.
What's that tree you're walking up on?
I know. It's pretty deep right here. Dang it. I wish that was a fish. No. The heck? Hold that. I'm gonna get it back.
Wait, can you get it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna pull this whole branch in. And for this thing being dead, it sure ain't easy to break. Of course.
I'm gonna say it's not that dead, Brian, because look at that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's got all kinds of stuff growing out of it.
Yeah. Oh. Hello. Feels like a bass. Yep. Nice little bass. It's right off those rocks. Yeah. A largemouth? No, it's a smallmouth. Yeah. Right on those rocks. Yeah, his kind of a couple feet off of the bank over there. So yeah, I am ready for dinner. Yeah, after walking all this. Crap. Oh, there we go. Right off that little log. Oh. Oh, wait, no, this ain't a dinger. This is, I was thinking a yum dinger, a TRD. I got him. Yeah, he was just holding on by the end of the tail. Look at that thing.